Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the burn mark. I got that shit from work, but yeah, it was kind of shitty. Today I'm gonna detail my car and like really clean it up deep because it's been very dirty lately. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, see, there you go, you could kind of see it. But I'm about to go to AutoZone right now and get some cleaning supplies. First of all, I'm gonna just give her a car wash and then probably wax her. Well, I gotta go to the store and grab some stuff and check those new headlights out. I need to order new fogs. It's really bad. Oh yeah, forgot to show you guys this. Look at my ghetto. Hold on, let me turn on the light. This ghetto ass flake paint I did yesterday. I was gonna vlog it, but I thought it was really ghetto. But dude, check out the flake in this bitch. Yo, litty, huh? So basically what I did was I sanded it all down and then I primered it and then I spray painted it black. I did like 3 coats and I let it dry for a little, and after that I did the first clear coat, and I had this this flake that my homie gave me before he painted his car. It was the pink IS. I don't know if you guys seen the flake on his paint, but he gave me a whole bunch before he where is it? Oh, sorry. He gave me a whole bunch before he went in for paint. So what I did, and let me focus. It's a lot. I still have a lot. Look at that. What I did was the first clear coat, I sprayed it real quick because the clear coat I got dried up really quick. So I would spray it and then like just fucking flick that shit on there. It worked out, but it was, I feel like the flake is kind of uneven, but like here, check this part out. That part it's like it's all bunched up. It's pretty cool though. I thought it was a really cheap. Oh look, right there too. Yeah, fuck it, right there. That's pretty cool. I mean, this is the only part that's flaky on my car. I was thinking of doing the roof too, but nah. I'm only gonna do some, I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. Just need I could wet sand it to make it a little bit shinier, like a more reflective, but it's a fucking lit. Who cares, bro? I'm gonna pull it out and then wash her, and then I was thinking about painting the rear lip, but got no black paint, but so I gotta probably go get that too. I gotta tell you guys, we got new slaps. Go ahead to the website up here, right here. I'll show you one of them right now. So my dad is rocking the iceyyyboyz. It's like the OG. Pick yours up. And chrome, bro. Chrome to your dome. That was the other thing that I was gonna tell you guys yesterday. Or no, yeah, not yesterday. The last vlog I told you I had something upstairs. But it was actually decal cutter machine. So I make my own decals now because other things happen with my sticker dude, whatever, who cares. But yeah, we have a whole bunch of new stickers that are made. And so yeah, just head to the website and you'll see them. So I just got back from AutoZone. They're actually having a great deal on this. It's called the bucket deal. It's 10 bucks. 10 bucks for the sponge, some microfibers, the bucket, and the Armor All wax and wash and wax. Shout out to the homie Rob and Akaz and Dallas and Gus for getting me the tire shine and the absorber for my birthday. Thanks, guys. So let's wash it up and let's shine them. Let's see how this works. Never really shine my tires because they always rub and get dirty. Wreck. The weather's really great right now. it's pretty cool, but not hot, you know? And the sun's not out, so I won't be burning while washing this thing. But god damn, we gotta clean everything, bro. That ghetto lip though, fam. I still can't believe I did that, but I didn't hang all weird. But let's get this thing washed. Oh, check what just came in the mail. this thing. So I just got the mail and I was washing my car. And Toyota fell.
Don't be a bitch, okay?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yo. It says I'm registrator 417. Hey, my shit's in, homie. Dog. So the car is cleaned, washed, and waxed. It's pretty fucking clean. Now I gotta wipe this tire shine. Look at shine. Damn, that shit is shiny. Shout out to my homies for giving me this tire shine. Let's see how shiny it stays. I mean, I don't even take out the car that much, so it should be good. So we're back at the salad garage. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. Car's prepped and clean, even though the show's not until June 2nd. So if you guys want to see my car in there, head over to Toyota Fest June 2nd, guys. But for real, the show is gonna be June 2nd. If you guys want to see me there, say what's up. I think it's in like 2 weeks from now. And yeah, we're at Dallas's house. He's putting the 1J together. I think tonight we're gonna put in the transmission. So yeah, everything's in. Everything looks pretty fucking legit. Pretty legit. Got the timing belt and everything all brand new. Everything's lined up. Fucking clean.
The reach to what TMZ had to say about it, they said, and I quote, Vincent Margera, the uncle of Ben Margera, who appeared in Jackass, has died.
Oh god! Head to the website, y'all. Pick up all your Icy Boys slaps. Icy Boys slaps. Head to the website. Yes. Gus made this one and it looks fucking weird. I don't know what the fuck he was doing right here. Like Wi-Fi or what? What you doing right now, Dallas?
I'm being a DJ. With the turntables. No. Cleaning my pressure plate. Because it came with like fucking grease all over it.
Damn.
Shout out to ACT. Wait, is that it?
Yeah.
ACT.
In your clutch?
6 pucks sprung.
Damn, look at that kit. Includes everything. Everything. How much do you pick up this ACT for?
400 pops.
400?
400.
When do you think it's gonna go in?
Tomorrow.
You
Hopefully,
think?
maybe.
Really?
I don't know.
we're probably gonna put it in tomorrow, the engine in tomorrow, or Saturday, because we work tomorrow morning, but this thing is finally gonna be in. Dude, this shit's dusty as hell too.
Look at my
Oh fuck.
Look at my hood.
Yeah, I know. Jesus. And Dallas is also painting the car. We won't say the color yet, but y'all probably will know soon. Oh shit.
Alright, so you gotta line the motherfucking the clutch alignment tool into the pilot bearing, and then you're gonna line her up. You gotta line the pressure plate up. Oh shit, homie! Why does this shit keep fucking doing this, bro?
Watch out before I throw up on you.
Why? How much you eat, fool? Too much?
I'm just not a fan. Jason Kim says the last photo looks good.
Look, guys,
Oh, bro.
Mr. Takala is here. What happened, guys? Sorry to cut out his transmission shit, but
Transmission shit. It's my flywheel, bro.
so we ran into a couple problems. Actually, one problem.
His penis got stuck in
Yeah.
the downpipe.
So, oh, I just cracked my back.
Dude, one of my bolts fuck. That's what happened. No, I'm just kidding. What? No, but
No, he's not kidding, but it's
No,
for
yeah.
real.
For real, though. It like stripped like a little bit of my flywheel, so now I gotta go get longer bolts. Yeah, look at what it did to my flywheel.
That's what happened.
I literally put it in by hand.
Everything was like perfect,
Put it
but
in my hand,
I
and
don't know.
snug. Just started hand tightening it with the wrench, and then all of a sudden it just kept spinning. And I was like, bro, did it break?
And it wasn't getting tight.
And then
we
it
thought we
didn't break
stripped the bolt. Yeah.
Yeah, but it just took the threads out of my shit.
So it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow or Saturday. But Gus is gonna be the homie and grab another bolt, a longer one. Anyways, he's gonna get another bolt, a little bit longer because there's actually more room for him to thread in.
Watch, here,
And,
see if you could film inside of the
Yeah, here, check it out.
Oh wait, that one.
Is it that one? Yeah, it's that one.
Can you see?
It has to focus. No, you have to like get it up in there. Yeah, it's kind of. Oh yeah, you can see. It's like kind of stripped. Like it's all fucked right here. The threading's like in the beginning, but in the back you can still probably thread it.
There's a bunch of threads left.
Yeah, there's a lot of threads left, and the bolts that he had were way shorter, right? So you could have longer ones to bolt in.
They're supposed to. Look, it gives me the torque specifications for the fucking bolts I have.
Which is 26,
Right
and the
here.
bolt to torque down.
M8, one and a
yeah,
quarter,
1 1/4.
10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 1 1/4, 26 foot-pounds. Rip!
Yeah, but yeah, the bolt ended up stripping. Well, not the bolt. The bolt didn't strip. The flywheel stripped inside. So we're just gonna see if we could get a longer bolt and get it in. And yeah. So and it always has to have one problem, huh?
Yeah.
It was just that one last bolt, and then we could have put the transmission on. But yeah, that shit happened. So that kind of sucked. But other than that, I'm pretty sure we're gonna drop the engine in either tomorrow after work or Saturday, because I'm pretty sure one of our homies wanna come and help. Because Justin said he wanted to come and help in the morning on Saturday. But yeah, and yeah, and that bitch will come in.
Hope my transmission doesn't blow up either.
Oh yeah, there's a hairline crack, huh? Right there. But you could replace this, but it's like what, $400?
Yeah. But look, it's not even like...
It's not bad, like all the way to the...
It's just like right there. It's not even on the bottom.
It's not even bad, honestly.
I was just gonna JB weld it low key.
Maybe. JB weld. But yeah, he could just replace this though.
The bell.
Right? Yeah, the bell housing. It's like $400 or $500 at Drift Motion. But yeah. Other than that, everything's gonna go well, I hope. And yeah, check out his whole setup. Super clean.
Oh yeah, that's custom as fuck, bro.
That doesn't even go there.
I know.
And future fabrications. Check it. But yeah, this shit is gonna be great. That'll probably be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. And head to the website. We got new slaps in. And yeah, the new gold taillight slaps you guys been asking for that go around the taillights and headlights. I've actually made them so they could go right here, just like on my other one. Damn, dude, this shit is foggy, homie. Or you can also put it in the front, by the front headlights. So it's like, go right here. So yeah, head to the website and buy them. It'll be up here. Yeah, like right here, yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Later, guys.